My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 Percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th Percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best, and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. it was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into this cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be I placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
My name is Rahul Ulkar. I'm been working as a senior architect in UV Systems. So today we are here at XLR Systems for the placement drive, and I really appreciate the placement services that the team that I actually met. We really got a good service and hospital service. Actually, the way they actually welcome is really fantastic, and I love. This is actually one of the best experience that I have ever. And and about the student quality, today we had interviews with almost like 25 to 30 students, but the candidates are really good. I mean, with respect to knowledge, with respect to communication, I mean, they are much more familiar about the technologies. Most of the interviews we had in Java, and the students are really fantastic. Thank you.
I'm Hariprasad Bugate. So today we have come here on the behalf of Urix Systems, and so we are conducting a drive at XLR. The students here, they are also, we found them very confident. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Mayuri Pimple. I have completed my full stack development course from the XLR EdTech Private Limited. The XLR is doing the fantastic job. The XLR placement team is doing the excellent work, and they are also providing the SDP session that boost our confidence at the next level. I would like to thank the whole training and placement team of the XLR for arranging the drive at the XLR Pune office. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunita Joshi. I am from Pune. I have completed my full stack development course from XLR. The training provided by the XLR was very fantastic. The placement was provided are also good. And there are the various SDP sessions was conducted at XLR office so that student can enhance their skill and knowledge and crack the interview and boost our knowledge to the next level.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Sarve. I have completed full stack developer course from XLR Tech Private Limited. The training provided by XLR is flawless. They provide good placement support. They doing STP sessions regularly to boost our confidence to the next level. I would like to thank whole XLR team to arrange the campus drive at
So, guys, good evening and welcome back today. Today is day 3 or day 2? This is day 3, na? Yes, we are here to start only, Aditya. Wonderful. How's the evening? It's wonderful. Okay, sorry, I forgot actually. Thank you so much. अरे जोर से बोलो, good evening. Be energetic. I'm good, thank you. Wow, now I'm also feeling the energetic by seeing your masters. YouTube participants, feeling sleepy? Very good. Sir, yesterday you told us to say a story. Yes, definitely. I will. In last minutes, I will tell that. I'm excited. Wonderful. We are excited to listen you. Okay, great. Sorry for disturbance. 1 minute. Sir, there will be materials, right? Yes, yes, material will be there. Sorry, sir. Yesterday I couldn't able to mark the attendance. What to do now? Tell me. The screen is blocked because I'm not sharing screen. Here is full of energy. Wonderful. You can please share the notes. Yes, definitely. So today I will request ma'am to share with me and I will upload that over the LMS. Siddhi is asking me, sir, it will be great if you share the LMS link, please. So LMS URL is online, wala online, learning wala learning, .xlr.com. Simple. Hi, sir. Hi. When will class start, sir? Within 2 minutes. We'll start at 7:10. Okay. Sir, how we can attend the assessment? Assessment, you will have a assessment on last day. Please help me. Yes. How should I help you? Sir, are you from Pune? Yes, I'm from Pune only. But as XLR, we are not located only in Pune. We have a couple of offices all over India. Like our headquarters is there in the Bangalore BTM layout. We are located in the Cyber Tower, Hyderabad. Then Chepauk in Chennai. Then Delhi, Mumbai. Mumbai, we have two offices. Andheri and Thane. And again in Pune, where I used to sit, Viman and Baner, we have two offices. Low from AP. Thank you. Okay, you're from Thane. Good. Yes, yes, we're starting. So, guys, we'll talk all these things again. We'll definitely talk all these things in the last few minutes. Okay. So, I know that you're waiting for the session. So, Subram ma'am, please take it forward. Subram ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Yes, Amar. I forgot I'm muted and I'm speaking. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah. Yes. You can share your screen and you can start, please.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Hope everyone had your coffee and tea and everyone. Right. Okay. So let's start our session today. So hope everyone has installed the VS Code. Okay. So let's open the VS Code. I'm good, Sandeep. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much. Someone also asked me, thanks for asking, guys. I'm good. But slightly hectic days are running because some recruitment is going on. Right. Okay. Can you please everyone switch on this VS Code? Open the VS Code. Please open the VS Code. I'll start from the scratch. If you have not followed yesterday, I'll start from the scratch. Thank you, Abhishek. Election is a very difficult task, Mr. Haider Afnan. If it is there in my hand, I would have selected all of you, 1,000 people, guys. Right. Okay. So here. So once everyone open the VS Code, okay, we have to, I hope everyone joined. Okay, 980 people are there. People are joining. Okay, fine. So let's start because for 20 people, we should not waste our time. Okay, once you open the VS Code, right, there is a file option. There will be a file option. Okay, so in file, okay, in file option, you have an open folder. Open folder. Okay, you can click on the open folder. Whatever the folder you want to open, you can open that folder using this. Okay, click on the open folder. Right, browse to your folder. Browse to your folder. Right here. XLR. Right, I want FSD fundamentals. Browse to your folder means select your folder. Select your folder. And then click on the select folder button here. Click on the select folder button. Right, click on the select folder. Now the folder will get open here. The folder will get open here. The folder will get open here. Okay, now all done. Up to here, have you opened your folder in the VS Code, guys? Please let me know. Right. So file, open folder. Okay. And select the folder, which folder you want to open. File and open folder. Select the folder, which folder you want to open. That is the steps. Those are the steps. So click on this file option, open folder, then select the folder. Okay, done. Now, if you want to create the file, I'll give you 1 minute time. Please, everyone say yes in the chat. So whoever already said, please fine. Whoever said that, ma'am, I have not opened it, I have missed it. Someone has said that. Okay. So can you please confirm that you have opened the folder? Okay, fine. Most of you are done. Most of you all done. Thank you for response. Okay, here, file. Now I want to create a file. Now I want to create a file. Now I want to create a file. Okay, there are icons, right? There are 4 icons are there. One is create folder. This is another folder. In this folder, you want to create another folder, you can use this. If you want to refresh this, you can refresh it. If you want to minimize all the folders, you can minimize the folders by using this. Okay, so here, this is the file icon. See here, this is the file icon. The first icon you have to click. After your folder name, there is a first icon. Click on this. So it will ask for the name of the file. Okay, right? So you can give the name of the file. Name of the file. myprofile.html. 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 So click on this icon and give the file name with .html file extension, .html extension. Right? It will open here. It will open. If you want to hide this, there is a name called, what is this is called as this area. This area is called as Explorer. This area is called as Explorer. In Explorer, you will see a folder, only one folder you can see, and then you can see the multiple files. You can see the multiple files under that folder. .html Arunava. Here it is there, no? .html I have created, right? No, we don't need, oh, you are asking about the extensions, right? We don't need any extensions, don't worry. For HTML, we don't need any extensions. I'll show you for the Bootstrap. Sorry, I misunderstood your question. Right. So this is called as Explorer. If you want to hide this Explorer, click on this. Click on this. See, it will hide. If you again click, it will open. See? Right? Now, in the right side of the Explorer, you can see your file got opened here. Your file got opened here. Right? Now, I'm closing this Explorer. Okay. Just close this. Right? Close this. Then you will find very spacious editor here. Now, what is the first tag which we have to write in HTML page? Can anyone just ping me in the chat, please? What is the first tag of the HTML? Doc type. Very good. So, doc type. This is the doc type. Doc type. Very good, Suprit. Right? Now, what is the next tag? HTML tag. Now, see here, I don't need to close that. I don't need to type the closing tag. Okay. See here, I'm writing, just close it. So, just open the, see here, HTML. Type the HTML. Automatically, it is typing the closing tag. Yes. Okay, right. Done. Now see here. See here. right? Someone given me this option, but what happens is these and all not required. Okay, these are all optional. Okay, so that's why I don't want to confuse the people. Okay, you can specify language and everything. Okay, but still fine. Head, right? Title, my profile. You can give your name. You can give your name, Swapna profile. You can give your name, Swapna profile. Always add this extent, means you should format the output, format the code. Okay, how to format the code? Now see here, select all, right click on it, right, format document. See, it has formatted the document. So select all, right click on it and format document. Or you can also use Control A, right, Shift plus Alt plus F. Yes, next body section. Body, right? Okay. Inside that, you write H1, resume. H1, resume. If you want to give the color, what is the attribute we have to give? Style attribute. The style attribute is the common attribute for all the tags. Okay, you can use this style attribute in the body. You can use the style attribute anywhere. Style is the attribute for the HTML tag. You can see the explanation also will be given here. Contains CSS styling. Contains CSS styling. To be applied to the element, note that it is not recommended for the style to be defined in the separate file. See, if you want to define the style, if you want to define the style for the HTML element, you can use the style attribute. You can use the style attribute. Right? I want it color, green color I want. Text should be in the green color. Only text should be in the green color. Colon. See, it will ask which color you want. Dark green I am writing. Okay. I'll show you. Right? So I want the background color also. Okay. See here. Background hyphen color, colon, gray I will use. I'll use gray. So you can have semicolon and you can write multiple stylings. You can write multiple styling. Ma'am, I want to see the output. Ma'am, I want to see the output. Now, one more thing I have forgot. Okay. So save the file. Save the file. Save the file. Ma'am, I don't want to every time press Control S, Control S, Control S. Okay. It has to automatically save my file. Okay. If in the file option, scroll down, there is an option called auto save. There is an option called auto save. Select it. Select it. So what happens is there will be a tick mark here. Okay. If you select this auto save, automatically it will save the file. Automatically it will save the file. So auto save. So once you choose the auto save, like automatically file, scroll down, then select it. Click on that like this. Shahid, I have to show the different ways of writing the CSS also, no, Shahid? It's not only one type, right? Sometimes we can use inline styling, internal styling, as well as external styling also. Every time you cannot use external styling. Right? See here, file, scroll down, auto save. So then you have to save it manually every time. Control S, Control S, Control S, you have to save. Okay, done. Now I want to see the output. I want to see the output. Okay, now here, let's go to the browser folder, this one, folder. The easiest way is open the folder where you have saved the file. Where you have saved the file, we have saved the file in the XLR, FSD fundamentals, right? My profile. See, this is background color is gray and the text color is green. The text color is green. Right? This styling is called as, when you give this using the style attribute, when you use this style attribute, it is called as inline. That we have to install an extension, boss. I will show you one by one at a time, Kiran. Sai. Right? So I will tell you that, Shruti, one by one, hold on. Okay. Let me explain it. Okay. Be patient, guys. I will not run away anywhere unless I'll answer all your questions. I'm reading your questions. All questions are there in my mind. This is called as inline CSS. This is called as inline CSS. If you are using inline CSS is a styling added to HTML elements using style attribute. If you are applying the style using the style attribute, we call it as inline styling. Okay. Now I want to center it. Okay. Now see here. After this semicolon, every styling should be semicolon. Okay. Right? Here it is. Text hyphen align, center. Text hyphen align, center. Text hyphen align, center. Text hyphen align, center. This is the code, but I can't give for everyone. I can give. Okay. I given the code in the chat. CSS full form is, okay. Here I'm writing, sorry for that. Cascading style sheet. CSS full form is cascading style sheet. Means if you apply the style, right? It is called as this. Cascading style sheet. CSS is cascading style sheet. Center tag is ruled out now. Center tag is not supported nowadays in the latest version. Aisha. If I have to paste it for each and every one, okay, for 20 times there, so it will take a lot of time, na Rashmi. Can Revati or Rashmi, right? Can scroll up, right? You can scroll up and you can take the code, na Rashmi. Have written the comments, right? I've written the comments, na. This is a comment only. Whatever it is there in the green color, it is the comment only, right? I've written the comments, no? This is the comments only. I'm explaining about the inline styling in the comments, right? Okay. Now see here. I want an image. I want an image. See, img tag. Img tag is used to insert the image in the HTML. Yesterday we have seen that, right? Now you can insert any image, okay, which you want to. So here, image, right, SRC, see here, attributes also will be shown, right? Okay, then after that, ALT is equal to my photo. Now, height and width you want, width, height, 100. Width, 100. Then as it is a self-closing tag, you have to close like this. I have explained it in yesterday's session, Naresh. I have explained it in the yesterday's session, Naresh. What is the comment structure under? Right? See here. I want this source, right? I want this source. It will take default, the image size as a default size. Image size as the default size. Yes, dear. Double or single quotation will work. Right? I want this SRC. I want this SRC. Right? Source. Now I'll just download any image. All right, I'm going to copy it in the XLR folder itself under the FSD fundamentals. I'm just making it as fantasy.jpg. Right now, here, if you see, if you expand the Explorer, you will find this fantasy.jpg. In the SRC, if you type it, it will show the name of that. So instead of making the spelling mistakes, you can select it. Now, as it is automatic, autosave is on for me. It is saved. Now, when I refresh my browser, the profile picture is there. Here is the 100 width is there with 100 and 100. If you want to increase, you can increase it. Ma'am, if I don't give height and width, what happens? Actual picture size will be the size. Actual picture size will be the size. Ma'am, yesterday only I have shown you about the image tag, Vaishnavi. Yesterday I have shown you the image tag, right? Same. Yesterday I have shown you the image, right? You can also give screen also. Means even if you want it, so right click on this, right? Copy image address. Right? And then you have to use that. Copy image address, right click on it and copy image address. Then you can use it. Right? Okay. Now here, float. Float is the option. I want it in the right side. Float is equal to float right. It is in the left side, right? It's in the left side. Right? I want it in the right side. Okay, this is the right side, right? Wait. Float left. Float is not working. Okay. I can give this styling or align also you can give. Text align also it will work. Oh, sorry. Style I have to give. Sorry. We have to give it style. So we'll give it styling later. We'll give the styling later. We'll give the styling later. Okay. Float and display and all everything I'll show you later. Image. PNG tag. PNG tag, image tag, right? Closing tag you are asking, Prithvi. Closing tag is not there. Yes, there is no units required. Okay, by default it will take pixels. By default it will take pixels. 200 by 200 pixels you will take. It will take. There is no change, right? So there are different types of measures are there. EM is there. Okay, points are there. PTs are there. Okay, so there is point is there. 200 by 200 points are there. Right? PTs are there. EM is there. There are different measurements are there. But pixels are by default it will be pixels. Vishal, I said already, I want to apply the styling for that. Okay. So we'll apply it later. Now. Okay. So here, okay, I never don't want to do every time open this one and then I want to run this, right? People were very crazy about to know about the live server. I don't know why it is. Okay, but still fine. Okay, now here, just see this. There are extensions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 extensions are there. 4 boxes are there. And if you keep the icon cursor here, extensions are there. Click on that. Click on that. right? Once you click on this, right? Once you click on this, here, okay, you have to search for live server. Live server. Or you can use live preview also. Live preview is for from the Microsoft. Live preview is from the Microsoft. So I'm preparing for the live preview. I'm installing the live preview because live server I'm not prepared, means I'm not doing it because it's not from the trusted one. Okay. So basically anytime, see, there should be a tick mark here. See, tick mark means has been verified ownership of the Microsoft.com, right? So tick marks you know well, right? So you can use the tick marks. If you have a tick mark, then it is a very trusted server. Okay. So or very trusted software also. If you don't have a tick mark, right? So it is not a trusted one. Just install it. I want live preview, but I am installing the live server. Sorry. So live preview I am installing. Yes, you can do it, boss. So it has been done already. Okay. Live preview has got installed here. Okay. Now here, just right click on this file. Right click on the file, show preview. Show preview. Right click on the file, show preview. It will show here. You can also use this also. Okay. You can copy that URL and you can also open it in the browser also, or you can also view it directly. Show preview. I didn't use any coding extension, Suleha, right? So I just used only live server. Live server means just to open the code, right? Anyway, it is like opening it in the browser. Yeah, that's fine. You can go with the live server only. No worries. That's why people, Suleha, there are a lot of people are commenting that, ma'am, use this shortcut, the code will get generated. Use that shortcut, code will get generated. I'm not using it. But this is a live server, right? Live server is fine. Live server is fine. I didn't extend it. I have not installed any extensions here. I don't recommend also. Because if you don't type it, you will not remember. If you type it only, then you will remember the structure. Basics are very important. Why it is going to show, it is showing, right? For me, it is showing, no? Show preview. Showing, na dear? Path should be proper, right? So you copy the file, okay? You copy the file into the same folder, Vaishnavi. You copy the file into the same folder. We can execute, no? You can see, I already said without extension also, I said, na Likita? Vaishnavi, copy the image into the same folder. If it is in the different folder, it may not be able to read. See, when it is taking a live preview, right? Live preview, it will read only in this folder. Okay. So if the file is there in this folder only, it will read. That's what I'm trying to say. Copy the image into the same folder where HTML file is there. No, ma, I can't repeat it, Srilekha. Please, again, you can just check the recording because it will take time again. Yes, yes. We have to write the CSS Sai Kumar. I'll show you that. So how you can use an image as a background. How to set it as a background, I can show you, right? So image is there. Now I want okay. So some heading I want. H3 I'll use qualification. Now here I want list all my qualifications, right? So there are two types of list tags that are available, ordered list and unordered list. Okay. Now I'm going to show you unordered list. Right? And this is MCA. Right? This is unordered list. UL means unordered list, right? This unordered list is used to, right, list all the values with bullets. With bullets. Ma'am, what is bullets? Huh? Okay, that may be a question. See here, I'll show you. See here, these are called as bullets. The circle one is there. Those are called as bullets. And even if you can see it in the live server also here. Right click on it. Show preview. See? Here it is. Right? So if you want, this is H3, right? So this is H3 tag. And this one is list. This list has been defined. Okay. Now I want to write my technical skills. Now again, I'll write H3, right? Technical skills. There is, okay, ordered list is there. There is ordered list is there. OL. Ordered list. Okay. So in ordered list, this is an ordered list. Is used to list all the values with number. With number. Okay. See here. right? Something I have written. Now just see this. Then again right click on the profile, show preview. See here, it has given 1, 2, 3. This is unordered list. Okay, this is ordered list. This is ordered list. Now see here, just copy it. I'm copying it in the chart. If live server is not working, use the browser map. If live server is not working, use the browser. Right? Okay. Now, same, both are looking same only. The difference is ordered list means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. Unordered list means it will use dots. That's it. That's the difference. Ma'am, I don't want the dot. Here, I have a dot, but I don't want dot. I don't want dot. I don't want dot. I want square, ma'am. I want square. I'm telling that only, ma'am. Yes, dear. It's like a bullets in the word. Here it is LI, or you can write it as UL. In UL, style is equal to list style type, style hyphen type. So square. Now see here. See here. Now right click on it and show preview. There is an into button is there. Okay. Just close using the into button. So there is a square. The square has been means circle has been replaced with the square. Here it is. In UL, this one you have to mention. If you want to replace dot with any other style, these are the styles available. Ma'am, I want circle. I want circle. Circle is there. Okay, ma'am, how do you know that what are the options are available? Control space. I want lower Roman letters. Disc I want. Decimal I want. So these are the available. Upper Roman letters, uppercase Roman letters, uppercase Latin letters, uppercase alpha letters, symbols. If you want to insert any symbol also, you can insert the symbol. Okay. So these are the options available. By default, it will be circle. If you want to change, you can change it also. Bhagwan Jagannath. Bhagwan Jagannath, give me some time, dear. Other people also there, Jagannath. I will show you, ma, how to add the image in the background. I already said first. Sai also, Sai Kiran also. I'm also requesting you, please. Right? Okay. So like this, even for OL also, you can style. Style is equal to list hyphen style type. So you can use lower Roman letters. Now just see this change. So see the change, Roman letters. Lower Roman letters. Lower Roman letters. You can use, you have to save it and you have to write the CSS code, sir. We cannot write directly. CSS code we have to write. CSS code. Okay. You can add any emojis also, you can add it as this. Okay. But we need to write the CSS code. Directly with this particular list type is not possible. Okay. That's why I'm saying. I'm not going with that. Otherwise, I would have used any other this one. First, we have to understand CSS. Okay. So this is how you can write the list tags. Now, ma'am, I want to separate UL tag, means qualification using a line. Okay. HR. Yesterday also I have explained it. HR tag. HR tag is used for separating this two. Now just go here. So there is a line. There is a line. Right? Okay. Now I want these two, okay, side by side. This qualification, HR tag I'm removing. Okay. I want these two side by side. This side is qualification. This side I want technical skills. I want to divide. Okay, see, for suppose here, let us assume that this is a browser. Okay. Now you want to divide this browser into two parts. You want to divide this browser into two parts. Right? Here I want qualification. Right? And here I want, okay, technical skills. Right? How to divide? Yes. Yes, Shahid. There is a tag called not frame. Okay. Div tag. Div tag you can use. We can use div tag. We can use div tag. Right? Okay. Now see here. How to write? First, I'll write here. Here I'll write after, means like after this image tag, I'll add one div tag. Division tag. Div tag is a division tag. Div tag is a division tag. Now close div tag. Close div tag. No, vertical line is not possible. You can give some border. Okay, we can give border. Okay. Yes, for paragraphs, for images, everything we can use. So I have two div tags. One div tag after the image, another div tag is closing of the image. Now I want to format this document. Save. See, it will adjust the code, right? Now again in that right? Okay. I want here okay. So what I'll do is I'll write one more div tag. Now after learning this bootstrap, right? Styling only means it will be easy when we use bootstrap. Div tag, again one div tag. First observe, right? Observe guys. Okay. I'll give you time. First observe what I'm doing. Because it's already modifying, right? I'm modifying it, no? So that's why. You'll get confused. You take some time, wait for a minute. Okay, right? I'll just adjust it, format. Done. Now here I'll write style, style. Float, left, right, and I'll write here width. What is the width you want? Width 50%. Width 50%. Width 50%. Right? Same style, I'll apply it for this div tag also. Let me show you. See, side by side I got, right? So no, to understand Bootstrap, we need a CSS there. Okay, so Bootstrap is CSS plus JavaScript framework. Okay, so to understand, we need a fundamentals of CSS. Akshay, give me some time, dear. Okay, give me some time. Give me no time. You can give no trick. Continuously bombarding the questions. Huh? See, this is what it is. Okay. It is saying that, ma'am, it is okay. File only I'll send. Again, it went for Akshay. I don't know why it is. So I've sent for everyone the file, HTML file I've sent. You can download it from your message box. From your message box, you can download it. Are you able to download, guys? Tell me. If not, I sorry. Copy paste is not working, Afnan. Okay, because it's a very long file, right? Long content, right? It is not working. So I've shared the file itself. You can download it. Total file I have shared it. Welcome, Bhushna. So we need a centering of the tag, right? Centering of the image. That's what. Okay. Code not coming up. Why it will not come there? No, you need to just click on that. It will download the file. You can open it. Yeah, already sent, Vaishnavi. How many times I will send again and again and again, dear? Vaishnavi, you have to be very quick. You have to be very quick. Okay. Right click on it and inspect, ma'am. Right click on it and inspect, ma'am. I've sent it, Vaishnavi. Please check the profile. HTML. I'll tell you, dear. CSS I have not even touched. Okay. Now see here. People were asking to, ma'am, how I can center this image, right? Style. Style. Display is there. Block. Margin hyphen left. Auto. Margin hyphen right. Auto. Right. Width. Width. See. Image is at the center. Image is at the center. This is the image tag with styling. Image tag with styling. Text hyphen align also works. But it you means I'm saying that if you want to text align works, what happens is you cannot there is some problem is there with the text align. I forgot. I'll remember it and I'll tell you. Center tag is ruled out, ma. Rutuja. Center tag is ruled out. Means in HTML5, center tag is P. I'll show you. I'll write the center tag. But always better if you write this styling. Why I will tell you. Box sizing and all I want to explain. Center is there. See, red color you are getting. No? Why there is a red color? Why there is a red color? Can anyone tell me why there is a red color? Even I'm not getting any explanation also. If I keep it in an image tag, image represents an image. Explanation I'm getting. So when I'm giving the center, it is giving a red. We have tag, okay, but it is ruled out. Ruled out means in latest versions, it is not there, okay. Older versions is there. So it will still work to support the older versions of HTML. Okay. So it's to support the older version of HTML, it will work. But it is not recommended to use the ruled out or deprecated tags. Deprecated tags. This is center is deprecated. Yes, this is an HTML5. By default, it will take HTML5 here because we have not mentioned anything, right? So if you write anything, if you don't give anything in the HTML, only HTML tag is there, then it is HTML only. If you are HTML4, there is a separate syntax is there. See here. I don't want to teach the deprecated one. That's why I'm not given any center tag. Okay. You can use if you want, you can use it. Will still work. But it is not recommended to use in the latest versions. Okay. Now, right. Okay. So this is about div tag, body tag. Now I want a table. In the table, I want my address and everything. Okay. So here, after this div tag, I'll write table. Table tag. See, it is self-explanation there. Okay. Float left means it will just come to the left side. Left side. I already said, okay, I have explained it. If you want to divide, this is 100%. This is 100%. The browser is 100%. Okay. The browser is 100%. I want 50% in the qualifications. I want 50% technical skills I want. So I'm going to write 50%. Image, why image will show? Because image is in my laptop. It is not in your laptop, no, Nagendra. You have to add your own image, Surendra. Okay. Because my laptop image, how you will get? Correct, na? Right. Okay, done. Now here, code I will share it directly, dear. Now you can, what I can say is, I'm not able to share the code. I'm not able to share it, dear, because it's a lengthy file, ma. It's a very big file. Oh, Deva. If otherwise, why I will not share? I have first tried to copy paste it only because of the file. Wait, which, okay. I've removed it, dear. Pages, I've removed it. I've removed it. I made it as a center tag. Okay. I made it as a center tag. Center tag centers it. That's it. Okay, fine. I'll explain that otherwise next tomorrow I'll explain. The code which I've written for the image tag, why display, what is the box sizing and all, I'll explain it. But I'll not ignore it. I'll explain it tomorrow. No, dears. I don't know Marathi. I know Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. I know little bit of Spanish. Okay. So Kannada, I know these 6 languages I know. Hola means hi. So according to global language is English. Okay. Center tag is there. Okay. Now someone asked me to explain me the div tag. Okay. Again, same question. Okay. I explained it actually. If I want to divide the browser into different columns, right? So I want divide the browser into different columns. Then I can use this div tag. Right? Okay. Now here, ma'am, how I can understand that it has been divided? Okay. Now see here. Now just see this border. I'm giving border to this div tag. Okay. Border hyphen radius width, I mean size of the border 2 pixels. Right? And type. See, dotted it is. Border it is dotted. Okay. So as we have ordered border, now we will make the width as 40 and 90 here. Okay. Now border also will be counted. Right? See here. If I want to divide a browser into two parts, right? I can use div tag. 2 or 3 or 4. Ma'am, can I divide it into 3 parts? Yes. Okay, ma'am, how do you define? Right? For suppose, if I'm considering the browser width as 100 centimeters, right? Means I'm telling, right? This will be, if I want to divide it into 4 parts, this will be 25, right? This will be 25. This will be 25. This will be 25. Okay. Ma'am, I want to give 75 and 25. Yes, you can give 75 and 25 also. 75 and 25 also. Okay, right here. See here. I'm giving here 70. I'll give here 20. See, smaller one and bigger one. Okay. Ma'am, I want to divide div tags. You can divide into 3 columns. Okay. It's all about how you want to design. Means if you want to divide it into different blocks in the web pages, we can use div tag. Okay. And this is width is 100%. 100% is for total browser. For if you are considering from here to here, right? The total browser width is 100%. If you want to divide it into 3, 33, 33, 33. Like that you can give. So if it exceeds, it will get into the next line. Okay. For suppose here I give 70 and 70, right? 70% and 70%. It will come into the next line. 140%, right? So which will not fit into the browser width. So it will come into the next line. Yes, horizontally also you can give. Horizontally also you can give. Right? See here. Horizontally also 100. Okay. Now width. Okay, I'll make it as 45. Here also I'll make it as 45. If you want height, okay. Height, okay, 50%. Height, 50%. Right? Okay. The only problem with the div tag is, right? It is a inline element. Means according to the content, it will get adjusted. If you see this, float left means it will go to the left side, man. Float left means left side. From left side, it will start arranging the div tags. From left side, it will start arranging the div tags. Float left. That is transitions we have to add, Sahil. Okay, that is CSS some transition. If you want it rolling, if you want, okay, for suppose if you want this resume, right, to be rolling, right, make it as marker. There is a tag mark you, I think. Let me see. Mark you tag only. That's what I remember it. So it is rolling C. Mark you tag. It's rolling. So it is only in one side. For suppose if you want to do the circling, right? Or it has to transitions, right? Some transitions will be there, right? How you see on in different websites that we have to write the CSS. But this is from only left to right and right to left. Left to right and right to left. Dear, this is all default. Again, you have to write the CSS Akshay. Okay. So CSS timer and all. If you want your own customized, okay, mark you tags means transitions, you need to write CSS transition. Yeah, I'll give you the notes. Okay. Right? Okay. So here, what I was trying to do. Okay. See, if you see this, right, it is a inline element. It is an inline element. It is an inline element, right? Okay. Now, in this inline elements, what is this inline elements? Yesterday we studied. According to the size, it will fit. According to the size, it will fit. Ma'am, can we convert these inline elements to the block elements? Right? Yes. Yes. Right? Now here, display block. Display block. Okay. Now see here. So it will display it will become the block element. Okay. Call spans and row spans, it is in the Bootstrap, Ashutosh. It is not in this CSS. Okay. Be patient, guys. Be patient. Please be patient. Okay. Right. Okay. Done. Okay. So this is about the div tag. Ma'am, I want image is done. Okay. I want to table I will complete. So table I've started and table I've completed. Okay. So you have table tag. Okay. Table. Here you will write. See here. TR row. TR table row. Then TH table heading. Okay. Table, sorry, row heading. Okay. Headings will be given, right? EMP, sorry. I'll write it as what I will display. Okay, I'll write it as okay. Qualification and all I don't need to write. Okay, skill and experience I'll write. Skill and experience. Now see here. Something like it is there here. Okay, 1 second. I have written inside the div tag. We'll write the div. Inside the div means when it is already full. What happened is here. Guys, please, yeah. You people are typing the messages. I'm not able to complete one set of discussion directly. 1 second. Here, how much I have given here? 50%. Here it is 50% I'll give. Fine. Just see this. Okay. See here, table tag. This is TH. Yes. TH dear, not YT. That's why I'm telling. So there is some mistakes will be there. See, skill and skill experience is there. Okay. Now I want one more is there. Here I'll write one more. TH, right? Version. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just take this table because we have already seen div tags, no? Enough. Okay. Now what I will do is here I'll put it this div tag on the top of this. Means after the center of this image. After this div tag, I'll keep this. Array. After this image tag, I have placed my table tag. Okay. Now TR. Now TR. We have TD. TD means table description. Okay. Skill Java. Right. So version. Version 8. Okay. Now I know 21 also. Okay, that's fine. 21. Experience is 19 years. Okay. Now just see this. It is writing, right? Now I want a border. I want a border for this table. Okay. See here. Style. Border. Right? How many pixels border you want? I want 5 pixels. Means very thick border I want. Very thick border I want. Now what is the type of the border you want? Whether you want, right? Dashed. Okay. Whether you want dashed or whether you want normal line. Okay. Whether you want double line border. So like this, you have different borders are there. Now see here. See, dashed. Now I want border for the columns also. Now I want the border for the columns also. See here. It's not there for the this one, right? Now what you have to do? For each one you have to write. See, border is there. Border is there, right? Okay. So like this, it will add the border. It will add the border. Means you can, if you can want to add the border, you can add the border for the table. But by default, there will not be any border. By default, yes, that I will explain it. Yes, right. So you can use solid also. Solid dashed means solid is by default. Okay, solid is by default. I don't want 5 pixels. 5 pixel is not right, ma'am. I want color border also. You can give the color also. After solid, you can give color. See here, you'll get the color border also. So green color border. Outside is a green color border, right? You can give the color also. You can give the color also. Right? So like this, you can create the table. You can create the table. Now, what is the difficulty you seen here? What is the difficulty you people seen here? I will explain here. I'll explain for the each heading. I will explain. Don't worry. I'll give you all the things. Okay. I'll explain it either. Okay. I'll explain it, but give me some time. Okay. What is the difficulty? Means what you see that? Is it looking clumsy? Is it looking clumsy? Like too much of same code we are writing, right? Same code we are writing. Too much we are writing the same code. Correct? So when you are using the style attribute, if it is a common one also, right? Common one also, right? It is difficult. Means to debug the code also difficult, right? Okay, so this debugging the code is also difficult, right? Okay, now what to do, right? There are different types of stylings are there. See here, I'll just take one more new file. Table dot, right? I'll give it as employee data, EMP. I'm creating a new file. Okay, emp data.html, right? The first way of writing the CSS is using the style attribute. Okay, the second way of using the style attribute is styling is, right? Example for internal styling. Example for internal styling. Before I jump into the internal styling. Okay. Now, first understand box model. We need to understand the box model. What is this box model? What is this box model in the CSS? Right? See here, just see this. Ma'am, what is, ma'am, you are talking very big word. Huh? Okay. See, just nothing here. Right click on this, inspect. I'm just copying this. Oh, anyway, it is here only. Okay. See here. Right click on it, inspect. Right click on it, inspect. Right? If you see here, there is a, just close this. There will be some console will get open. Just close this. Then just maximize this here. See? Just see this. It is selecting whole this one, right? Then there is a padding, border, margin. Right? Ma'am, how to open this again? There will be a questions. Okay. Right click on it and inspect. Right? Okay. I'll share that file, dear. Okay. So first concentrate. Later we will see what is the output you people are getting. Okay. So open this file. open this file. Okay, so this HTML file in the browser, right click on it, inspect, right click on it and inspect. Okay, now see here, there is here in the down, there will be styles. Okay, now hiding these controls. If you are messaging, I'll not be able to see. Okay, see here, there is a box. Box is there, right? Now if you see, select it. Okay, so there is padding, border and margin. Ma'am, what is this? These are the 3 attributes of an HTML element. Means 3 properties of the HTML element. Okay, so ma'am, can you explain me? Okay, see here, guys, very much important. If you understand boxing only, if you are able to understand box model only, then you will be able to understand. Okay, then you will be able to understand CSS, which we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay, if you don't understand this box model tomorrow, and whatever the examples I'll take here on, okay, it will be very difficult for you to understand. Kindly concentrate. Whatever the code is there, I'll share with Amar. Amar will share with you guys. But first, concentrate on the explanation. I request you all. Okay, see here. Just see this. For suppose, I have written like this. Okay, simple. I'm explaining. You people don't need to do it. Okay, right? I'm going to create one new file. boxmodel.html. Right? Now, let us assume there is an, ma'am, you have not written HTML and all in latest versions. Ma'am, you have not followed the conventions. Okay, ma'am, you have not started with the doc type. You have not started with the header. Okay, don't worry, guys. It is not needed. Okay. So because of the latest browsers will not bother about it. Okay. In the older browsers, it was a difficult task. Okay. But in the latest browsers, very understandable browsers. Okay. They will not trouble you. It will not trouble you. Okay. Right. Here, see here, H1 is there. I've written hello. Now see here. I'll open it in the browser. See, it's printing properly. Now see here, magic is, if you inspect it, we'll get the HTML head and body also. Automatically, it will add root tags. Default tags will get added. Okay, see here, in the body, you will find H1 tag here. Now, when I selected this H1 tag, are you able to see blue color and orange color? Yes or no in the chart, please? Right? Here in the box model, are you able to see blue color? In this box, are you able to see blue color? Right? Here in the box, are you able to see blue color? This blue color, here this blue color. And if I select the hello also, there is a blue color, correct? Right? So this is element. This blue color is element. Okay. Now for suppose here, it will print hello. It will print hello. And this is the color, some color, blue color. right? Okay, so this is element. This is element. See here. This is element. I will take this. Don't confuse. Okay. So this is element. The blue color is there, right? The blue color is element. Okay. Now coming back. Okay. Here I have one more box is there. One more box is there. And you have one more box on top of it. And you have one more box. Correct? If you see this, 1, 2, and 3 boxes are there. I have done 1, 2, 3 boxes are there around the element, around the element, right? Okay. So this is called as padding. This is called as padding. What is meant by padding? Padding is space around the element. Remember that the space used for adjusting the element in the browser is called as padding. The space used for adjusting inside the browser, right? We call it as padding. Okay, see here, ma'am, where is padding in the hello, right? Now see here, style, padding, yeah, 20 pixels, right? Now just see this, okay? Now refresh it. Now see, just keep the cursor on the, are you able to see green color around it? Yes, in the chart, yes or no in the chart? Hello is there, which is in the gray color, means or blue color. Around it, there is a green color, right? Before it was not there, no? It was there? No, right? Now, once I gave this padding colon 20 pixels, on 4 sides, you are able to see green. Am I right? On 4 sides, are you able to see green? Correct? So, padding means the space around the element. Padding is the space used for adjusting that element. Okay. So, that is called as padding. Okay. Now, see here. I'll give border. I'll give margin also. I'll give. Karthik, please, yeah. Give me a minute. Buddy, that's why I don't see comments. Okay. Chat I'm not seeing. One by one, Karthik. Okay. Border. Now I'm giving border. Right? 5 pixels. I have given border. Okay. Solid. Solid. Okay. Now see here. Just refresh it. So border. So this is border. Whatever the border is there, that is border. That is border. Right? See. Ma'am, how do you understand that this is a, see? Just see this. Keep the cursor. Are you able to see brown color on all the sides? Brown color is there. After the green color, everyone please tell me. Brown color is there. Right? That is border. That is border. Now, Karthik, you are this one, right? Margin. See here, border I have given. Now I'll give margin. Margin 50 pixels. Margin 50 pixels. Right? Now just see this difference. Now refresh it. It has moved from all 4 sides. It has moved, right? See here. Without margin, it is occupying all. If I give margin, without margin, it is there full. Okay, observe guys. Okay, with margin, see, it is adjusting. It is adjusting. Like if I keep the cursor here, are you able to see? See, if I keep the cursor here, orange color, guys, all 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 colors are you able to see in this yellow also? Right? So, these are the 3 properties in CSS, right? For adjusting the element inside the browser. For styling, for adjusting, right? So CSS is based on box model. This is called as box model. This is called as box model. What are the properties in the box model? Padding, border, and margin. Padding, border, and margin. See, this is the example of the box model. One small element. Ma'am, it will be available for all the elements? Yes. Okay. Now, for suppose, let us assume that I have another H1 tag. Okay. Right. Now, what I will do? Just see this. 2 borders. Now, see, this is also have a box model. And if I have the second H1 tag also, you have a box model. Box model is there. Okay. So, means for every element, for every element, we can use percent or pixel. Both you can please find here. 20% and pixel. Mostly pixels are better. Okay, because it's measured in pixels. Means when you use pixels, it properly gives the CSS reshape. Okay. Right? Yes, yes. Default for all padding and margin, it will be default. Right? Okay. So here margin is space between the both HTML elements. See, if I have 2 HTML elements, if I want a space between 2 HTML elements, right, I can use margin. If I want space between the 2 HTML elements, I can use margin. Okay. The elements will adjust based on the margin. If you don't give margin, ma'am, what happens? Okay. If you don't give margin, see. This is without margin and this is with margin. Then you can understand. This is without margin. This is with margin. Okay. So if you want to give some space or some adjustment between one element to the another element, you can give margin. You can give margin. If you want to give the space for that element, okay. So to adjust itself, we need to give padding. We need to give padding. Margin, I just now I have explained it, Rajeshwar. Margin, just now I have explained. Border is the border. Whatever the border I have created, that is the border, Rajeshwar. Just now I have explained margin. Oh, Bhagwane. Margin as 0 means if you want to give 0, why you have to give margin? If you want to give 0, why you have to give margin? See? There is no margin here. Margin is 0 means there is no margin it is. Adjustment of 2 elements. Okay. We call it as margin. Boss, did you people use margin in your books? There is, if you have a ruled books, there is a margin, right? What is that margin? What is that margin? You have the margin in your books, right? Why you need margin in your books? In your rule books or non-rule books also. You will do one scale and you will do margin, right? Why? To separate. If your teacher asks you to make a table, how you will make a table? Same, dear. There we are writing it manually. You are measuring, ma'am, how many centimeters is there my book? How many columns I will get divided? Ma'am, I want 4 columns, right? When you have 4 columns, if you want to divide, you will take a ruler, okay, and you will measure, right? 14 centimeters divided by 4 columns. How many centimeters are there? You will mark, right? Dot, dot, dot. Then you will margin, right? You will have a margins, right? See, border you will write and you will write it. No, if border is there, border is not there, also it will work, Akila. That I will, which code? This previous code, profile code, I'll send it, means I'm not able to paste it as an text site. Okay, so because it's a very lengthy file, myprofile.html, it is not copy pasted. It is not getting copy pasted. So that's why I have sent you as a text. Sorry, file I have run. Yes, yes, because see, if you are calculating, okay, see here, guys, one point I forgot to mention, okay, margin is counted with, see, for suppose, if hello is there for 50 pixels, margin is also counted inside it, means 52 pixels, right? Margin is counted in the size. Margin is counted in the size. Where, sorry, border is counted inside the size, not margin, sorry. Border is counted inside the size. Margin is not counted. Margin is outside of the element. Border is counted. Border and padding is counted. Border margin will not get counted in the length. Zero pixel, dear. 0 pixels. To have any number of pixels, 1024 pixels also sometimes will have. Thumbnails, you should not keep anything in the thumbnails, okay, right? Keep it in the same folder. Try with the same folder, Nitish. Wherever your CSS file is there, okay, wherever your HTML file is there, keep your image also in the same file folder, the same folder, and try. Here it is, okay. 1 pixel in centimeters, right? 0.002 centimeters. 0.02 centimeters. 96 dpi means 96 pixels per inch. Okay, this is a calculations. Right. Any other questions are there? So this is how you can, means box model. This is called as box model. Please let me know if any questions are there. No, margin width of the width will not get decreased. Okay, it will adjust. It will adjust. Margin, it will not decrease the size. It will just adjust based on the margin. Yeah, tomorrow I'll add it here. You'll get notes only on means like next Monday on, means I'll try tomorrow. By tomorrow I'll share it, because I'm using my new laptop. My old laptop is got corrupted and it is not switching on. Otherwise, all the notes is already ready-madely available. Let me see if any notes is available in my mail. I'll just give you. Good night, Sandeep. Yes. Not the size. The space around the element. The space around the element. I'll share that code. Actually, I'll share that code, Tejas, directly. Laptop, you can buy Dell anything there. Dell i5 you can take. I will talk to, I will send it to Amar. Amar will upload it in the documents. Mine is, don't worry, mine is my Anantapur. My district is Anantapur. I born and brought up there. You have to, that is, because to adjust, like, see, if we want to style more elements, right? So if I suppose like this, if you want to design one website like this, like this, if you want to design the website, how you can give the space between one, here there is a space, right? For one image to another image, there is a space, right? How you will understand? This is a margin only. This is margin only. It is in Andhra Pradesh, Sucheta. So if you want this, this is, see, did you see this radius? This is radius. This is radius. This is radius. The curved one is there, it is radius. Yes, dear. Borders are curved using border radius, border radius. Okay, Devi. PVKK college, huh? Okay. In Puttur, okay. I'll explain it. Tomorrow I'll explain it, dear, because a lot of people has left, right, Sai Priya. Tomorrow, definitely I'll explain. It will take 10 to 15 days to mostly cover understanding everything, HTML and all. Tomorrow I'll show you how to make one registration, Rashmi. I will make one form tomorrow. Form with CSS I'll teach. Okay. I didn't understand. Resume you want to, means this, my profile you want or resume you want? My resume you want? You are going to sponsor a job for me. What happened, Rashmi? What is the error? Is there any error, Rashmi? CSS, this one, right? You want this profile one. Profile one, it is not copy pasted, dear. That's a problem here. No, for Google, we don't have any hosting charges, Kadir. Okay. But if you want to use means daddy.com or mydaddy.com or something, you have to pay. Yes, yes. Oh, front-end developers are still required, boss. If there is no front-end, there is no back-end. Back-end is not there, front-end is not there. Both mutual. Thank you, Shraddha. Guys, hope you all enjoyed. Please say yes. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. Thanks for all the love you people are showering on me. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll share this, Rashmi. Okay, I'll share this code, my code with you. Then you can try. That you can, Bhavesh, you can please check with Amar. Thank you, Deep. Attendance link has been shared. Amar, please share the attendance link for everyone again, please. Tomorrow, CSS, internal CSS forms, linking one page to the another page. Okay. And adding some website, bootstrap, I will start. Little bootstrap, I'll start. Then you will enjoy. Bootstrap means, ma'am, it is very, very easy, ma'am. That's why that's what you can say. If I have opportunity, I'll 100% will do best for from my side, dear, irrespective of any constraints. Yeah, I'll send the code. Amar, I will mail it to Amar. Amar will give you the code, dear.
What they require?
The code what I have written.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. Guys, you will get the code in the text format over the LMS.
Thank you, Chatterjee. Buenas nachos. Thank you. Somewhere you searched in Spanish and you are saying me. Thank you so much. Please check with Amar how many days recordings are there. They are asking Amar. Thanks, Vishal. Ashutosh. Why you are taking that much of risk and playing with me? I can talk Malayalam, but I can't read Malayalam, okay? Malayalam is means like to learn Malayalam, we need a lot of dedication. Okay. It's not like if you want to travel any out of country, it is important, Abdul. Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil. What happens? Which one? What you asked me, right? Ma'am, Suleha. No, no, no. I'm a South Indian. And firstly, I'm an Indian, Sucheta. That's it. But I'm from south of the India. Okay. But I'm an Indian. No, मैं बेंगलुरु में रहती हूँ भाई. I'm from Bangalore. And now I'm married and moved to Bangalore. Yes, Komal. The attendance is counted from there. And you people are so smart that people are leaving in the middle of the session and joining at the end of the session. In abroad, we need some money, boss. Means there is a different options are there, Vishal, which I can't discuss online. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ Good night, Vishal. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ means how are you in Kannada? Yes, I'll learn Marathi also. You teach me, guys. Sure, Masai. So VFX with Python is offered only in some of the major colleges in UK and US tier either. Okay. So in India, I have to find it out. Oh, I didn't research on it. For your sake, I'll research it on Saturday and Sunday. I'll tell you on Monday. Okay. What happened, Ashutosh? What did you ask me which I missed? Please let me know. Once again, sorry if I missed it. JavaScript also we are going to cover here. Okay, Ashutosh. Okay, the basics will be covered. So if you want to learn more, you can learn more intensively the JavaScript and go with React, learning with React. Okay. So don't go for C language and all. Okay. Then after that, you learn Java. Don't learn C language. Directly learn Java. See, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and Bootstrap. This is the topics. Yes, dear. All HTML coding will be based on the box model only because it should apply the styles. If it has to apply the styles, it will use box model. बेंच कार खरीद लो शुभ. बेंच कार खरीदने के बाद एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं. No, Suleha. Python is not there. DSA they will not ask there. Data structures very rarely they will ask in very startup companies. Okay. See, according to my idea, my understanding, wherever I worked and all, right? So DSA is not there. To avoid styling, right? This all CSS is not required, Aisha. Directly the style is available, copy paste the style, then your HTML page is ready. You don't need to code anything. Practice makes man perfect, Aryan. Okay. Ma'am, how can you write the code like this? Okay. It's just about practice. Practice. Doing multiple times, you will remember. Your mind also will get sharpened. No one can teach you, right, how to improve logic for coding. Okay. Only when you do it, you can improve the logic. Bye. Bye. So, if I know it, I would have married Shah Rukh Khan. No, why I'm here? Huh? So fun. Okay. Thank you, guys. Anyway, most of the people left. Have a nice day. Right? Good night. Shubhratri. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you.
Yes, to participant, I shared the attendance link in the chat box. I hope definitely you mark the attendance. If not, I'm sharing once again. So please mark your attendance or submit your attendance, and don't forget to share your feedback about the session. If you want to give your feedback now as well, yes, chat box is open for you. You can simply type it down. I know that you guys are interested to type it down, not to talk, right? Because every day, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, lots of options are there, right? To chat. So we'll use Zoom chat today. Our doubt is not clear, sir. What is your doubt? Tell me. How we could get today's HTML code? So we'll upload that code over the LMS. Lavanya? Okay, I want to tell you that yesterday's story, but most of you left, so I will continue that in tomorrow's session. Okay. Sir, I am present in a whole lecture. Yes, Abhishek. Okay, so I don't think you have any query or question. So we'll wind up for the day. Dear participants, thank you so much for joining the session. We'll again see you on tomorrow at same time with same energy. So good night. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Keep coding and keep growing with Excel.